This Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus random orbital sander is ideal for light to medium weight applications such as fine finishing and paint removal. The main benefit of a random orbit sander is that it is not sensitive to the direction of the wood grain, so you can be guaranteed a swirl-free finish, just like the professionals. This sander has a 2.5mm random orbit motion, which combines aggressive stock removal and a smooth finish. The sandpaper fitment is hook and loop, making it effortless to remove and attach. The sander has built-in dust extraction holes and a removable dust bag that ensures the working environment remains tidy and dust-free. The dust bag easily slides on and off, making it fast and simple to remove and empty. Sand up to 50 minutes with one 5 amp-hour lithium plus battery on a single charge. This random orbit sander is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your 1 Plus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the 1 Plus system of over 50 great tools for your home and garden, this handy cordless sander will work with any 1 Plus battery.
This is the Bosch ROS65EC Random Orbit Sander. Cabinet makers, painters, and woodworking enthusiasts alike will find that this sander produces excellent surface quality and/or aggressive stock removal. This sander accepts 2 pad sizes, both 5-inch 8-hole pads and 6-inch 6-hole pads. What's most impressive is this sander's vibration control system. By isolating the top and bottom halves of the sander with heavy-duty foam blocks, very little vibration reaches the gripping areas of the tool. It also ensures that the pad stays on the surface at all times and all of the energy is being transferred into the bottom of the tool. Rated at 3.3 amps, the ROS65EC has the power needed for most sanding jobs, while the variable speed dial lets you dial up or down to match the workpiece and the stock removal, finish sanding, or polishing task. 2 dust collection systems keep your workplace clean. A microfilter dust canister with integrated filter and easy screw-off cap collects particles as small as ½ micron in diameter. With a best-in-class collection rate of 81% over 25 minutes, this is a great onboard dust collection option. You can also use the out-of-the-box vacuum hose connection with airflow control. This sander is compatible with standard 1¼ inch and 1½ inch vacuum hoses, or any Bosch vacuum hose, and most European hose sizes. The high-performance, soft, microcellular hook and loop backing pad conforms to many contours, while a greaseless pad dampening system helps you prevent swirl marks. So this is it, the Bosch ROS65EC Random Orbit Sander with the vibration control system. For more information on this tool, reference this page, and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.
Inspiration can strike anywhere, anytime. Now part of the 20-volt max system, the mouse sander has gone cordless. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver. With a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, it can hold a charge up to 18 months, so it's ready when you are. Plus, the detail finger attachment allows you to get into those extra hard-to-reach areas. And with the dust collection feature, you can clean up quickly. Now, the cordless mouse sander can come along wherever the project takes you. The cordless mouse detail sander from BLACK+DECKER, helping to make life a little smoother.
Introducing the Craftsman V20 20-volt max random orbit sander. This cordless sander's lightweight, low-profile design offers the control you need and the power to complete tasks with ease. Use the included dust bag or connect to a 1 1/4-inch wet-dry vac hose for high-performance dust collection. The dust-sealed switch provides added durability and long life, and when you're finished, just hang it up and out of the way. Get the job done with the V20 20-volt max random orbit sander, part of the Craftsman V20 system. Craftsman, we build pride.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.